Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, I will teach you how you can buy Bitcoin on Cash App. So first you have to open your Cash App account. After opening the Cash App account, you can see the bank icon in the bottom. Click on that. Here in Explore, you can see the Bitcoin option. Click on that. Invest in the future of money. Bitcoin is a digital currency that's changing the way the world sends, spends, and saves money. Own something that's rare. So now they say that Bitcoins are rare and a best thing for saving money for future. Control your money 24/7. Keep it safe with Cash App. Here you can see how it looks. Buy Bitcoin for as little as $1. Now for buying, click on the buy Bitcoin option. You can also change order type, but I'm using it for one-time order, so I'm not changing it. Here you can choose the money. I'm choosing $1. Now they will, for verifying, they will ask for your phone number and SSN number. After doing all that verification, you can buy the Bitcoin. Now here you can see the option auto invest. By turning this option on, auto invest daily, weekly, bi-weekly. You can also choose Bitcoin roundup. You can also do that by getting a cash card first, and you can also use by depositing and by gifting. For gifting, you have to write an amount of Bitcoin to send. Now you have to write the cash tag of the person you want to send it to. You can also write a note for them, and you can also do the payment through the cash balance or through the linked debit card. That was all about how you can use and how you can buy Bitcoin. Hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.